Alright, this will be the elevator at the 13th Street Garage in Center City, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It is a Schindler it was a Schindler MT recently modded by Kone. Hopefully this one's any of those came yet. Hopefully. There we go. It says elevators when there's only one. Whoa. Here it is. I don't know if the other
7th floor going down.
Gee. Go back up to 7 if no one's here.
Ground floor going
No
up.
one's here. Go to 7. Heard some people outside, so I'm gonna end this on 7. Here we are at 7. And that's it.